Next category is nature. First image, California orange. California orange.
All right, thank you. The score is 78.
Okay, Michael.
I am really the bad guy on this. I scored it a 76. To me, it's definitely California orange. It is orange. Then the one flower in the middle that stands out is nice and sharp. However, everything is just so hot. You're going all over the entire image trying to find a place to land, and I'm still flying around, haven't found the place to land yet. I need something to just jump out. Burn it down probably about two stops on the next time you do the exposure.
Just back up a little bit. You're right.
There you go. Nice and bright. It's bright.
Okay, John.
I agree with what Michael said. I would just add that sort of center, just above center, there is really the hottest part of the image, and that's where your eye goes, and it's really nothing but a sort of a background blob. And it definitely needs to be, you need sort of to massage this to make something a little more dominant.